Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial we are going to make crochet capital letter N for November. This letter is quite versatile. You can use it as letter Z or letter N, whichever letter you require. This letter is very easy to make. It only consists out of 2 rows, and if you're going to use 3mm crochet hook and double knit yarn as I've been using, you're gonna end up with approximately 6.5 centimeter high letter. So before we starting making this letter, I am going to mention to you, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and in the description below you can find a link to my blog where you can find a written pattern for this letter, for all remaining letters, and more crochet patterns which are all free. As well, if you would like to buy me a coffee, there is a link in the description below. Okay, so let's stop wasting time and let's start making this crochet letter N for November. We are going to start with chain of 34 stitches. Let's make our chain of 34 stitches. We have our chain of 34 stitches and we are moving to row number 1. Row number 1, going to start from the second chain. We're going to skip this one and gonna start from the second chain, and we are going to start with single crochet in next 10 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Next step will be 3 single crochet decrease. We are going to start making 3 single crochets and we're gonna make it into 1 decrease. 1, 2, and 3. There you are, we have started our 3 single crochets and we're going to decrease it into 1. Now, next step will be again single crochet in next 10 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's how our letter N for November looks so far. Now we are moving to next step, and next step will be 1 stitch increase in the next stitch. That means we're gonna make 4 single crochets into next stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's our 4 single crochets into 1 stitch. And we have last step, which will be 1 single crochet in next 9 stitches, and it will finish our first row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We have finished our first row for our crochet letter N or letter Z, whatever you want to use it for. And that's how our letter looks so far. has a bit of attitude and wants to curl up, but we can straighten it up. So I can demonstrate you this letter. That first row finished for our letter. We are moving to row number 2, which is our last row, and we are going to start it with chain 1 and turn it around. We're going to do single crochet into the same stitch, and now our next step will be single crochet in next 10 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. In next step, we are going to do 4 stitch increase. It means 4 single crochets into next stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we are moving to next step, which will be 1 single crochet in next 10 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we are moving to next step, and our next step will be 3 single crochet decrease. We are going to make 3 single crochets. We're going to start them 1, 2, and 3, and we're going to decrease them all into 1 stitch. And we have 9 stitches remaining till the end of our second row, and it will be 1 single crochet in each of them. 9 single crochets in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We finished row number 2 of our crochet letter N or our crochet letter Z, whichever you need to make, and our letter is complete. Now what we're going to do, we're going to cut our yarn off. If you are going to attach this letter to your project, I suggest you leaving long tail. Let's finish it off with a slip stitch. And our crochet letter N for November or Z for zebra is complete. Thank you for watching this video tutorial, and thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial, and I hope you're gonna find it useful. Please check out my other videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my blog. Okay, again, thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you in my next videos.